Hi YouTube. Today we're going to be reviewing the Hisense Chromebook that I just got from Walmart.com. It's on sale for $129.99 as of right now. And it is November 6th today, I think, 2017. So if you were watching this anytime soon, you can get it at Walmart.com for $129.99. And all I did was type in laptops on the search bar at Walmart.com, and then I went to I sorted it from lowest to highest, and I think it's like the second or third one. Okay, so the packaging is really good. I need both my hands. Okay. So we got it out. And I got this for school because I heard very good reviews on other YouTube videos that it's perfect for school. So it has, like, the top of it is kind of like a textured top. It's really slim, really thin and slim. Wish I was thin and slim. And the keys and everything, just like a normal laptop. Okay, and it comes with the charger and stuff, of course. And as I read on other reviews, or as I watched other reviews, you have to plug it in and turn it on with the charger plugged in. So there's all that. Give you a little Velcro strap for the cord. Okay. Well, okay, so I guess the Velcro strap stays stuck on the cord. But you can always cut that off if you don't like that. Alrighty, let's take this over here and plug it in. Bear with me. Plug it in. Okay. Sorry, I wish I could edit this video so you don't have to wait for me to plug it in. Actually, I could have put it on pause. That's what I'll do. I'll be right back. Okay, so silly me was putting it in on the right side, and it's for the headphones. So when you first get yours, you're going to want to plug it in on the left. I haven't had a laptop in a while, so. And then this is the first screen that'll pop up. And, oh. Did you see? I wonder if it was a touch screen. Okay, there's no touch screen. It's like an automatic reaction to. Okay, maybe you could set it up for a touchscreen. I don't know. I don't think so. I'm so used to my tablet that I just went for it. I haven't used one in a while. Oh, geez, it's not touchy. It's just perfect. It's not oversensitive or anything. I actually like it. Okay. I don't know why I have two different things. I don't know my password. I gotta go look it up. So that's pretty much it. The handling of it and everything, and the keys, they're not everything. This was my main concern, was the touchiness of the mouse pad, or whatever it's called. But it seems like it's not over touchy, and it's not. It just works perfectly. So I hope you got some information on this opening and review of the Chromebook. Thanks to my school for sending me a gift card to purchase it. And have a great day, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.